Well, it's been I ain't gonna say it's been a minute. Had Clear Lake tournament. I've been out a few times, only to have the worst days ever. I'm hoping today changes. I've tried to shoot some video, but yeah, it ain't been good. All I got was the intros. So today, hopefully we can get some fish in the boat. Clear Lake wasn't bad. I got 2 4-pounders while I was up there on a 2-day tournament and 1 day of pre-fishing. So 2 fish in 3 days ain't good. But today, a whole new day. Beautiful out. I mean, I'm on the Delta. Getting some nature in me. You know, gotta get that nature in me. I need this. I'm supposed to have a partner today, but she couldn't make it. So just doing it on my own. I wasn't even gonna come out. And I was like, you know what? The birds woke me up this morning about 5 o'clock. I was like, you know, I'm going. I don't care. I'm going. Tired or not. So work's been killing me, but I gotta get out here. So anyway, let me get ready to start rolling here, and hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Got a fighter. Oh, he's trying his best. Oh, God. No, you're not getting in the weeds. That's what happens when you're not being prepared. Thank you. Ooh, that's a nice one. There we go. I ain't gonna say we back, but we definitely doing better than we did at Clear Lake. Thank you, sir. Appreciate your participation. Ooh, you bleeding. You bleeding. Oh, you got blood on my new shoes. Oh, good one. Trying to get me in the weeds. Come on, big girl. Just on the boat. This is so much easier when you got a partner. Dang. Guess I could extend it. That's number 3. Oh, come on, come back here. Oh, good one. Oh my God. Yes, good one. No, you're not getting down in that gun. Oh, you guys are well trained. Thank you. Woo. Okay. Number 4. Oh, come on, I'm trying to get you off. Little one. They definitely eating today. It's the third one that's done had it deep down in his mouth. You're lucky. Go play. Good one. Oh, yeah, this is a good one. Oh, we got a fighter. Oh, I love the tug. Come on. Let's work this out. Come on. Get back here to the net. Oh, yes. Thank you. You guys are all cookie cutters. Little one. Still fun. Still fun. Could be catching nothing, so definitely enjoying this. Redeemed myself after Clear Lake. And the last few trips. Have fun. So just a quick update. That was number 7. 5 keepers so far. See if I can get a kicker now. That's all I need. That'll top off my day. All of them probably about 2.5, 3 pounds. Oh, is that a bite? No. Like I said, all about the same size. All fighting real nice. Felt good, feel that tug. Kind of missed it. Anywho, that's about it right now. Like I said, I got 7, all on a Senko wacky style. Not sure what number or color it is, but probably see it. I don't know if the sun is messing with it. But yeah, I'm glad I decided to come out today. I almost didn't come out. I would have been sitting at the house being bored to tears. So definitely a good day. Anywho, let me get back to playing and let's see what comes up next. Another one, small. He's a flyer though. Yeah, he's not gonna improve to 5. Definitely a fighter though. His mouth is red. They're eating crawdads or something over there along the bank. Thank you for playing. Another little one. trying to let you go. Keep playing. A little feisty one. Once again. Come on, just trying to get the hook out. Oh no! Got a fish. Another one, small. Need the one that took my line a minute ago. Stop it. Thank you for playing. See you again later. Not gonna help the cause. Thank you for playing though. So quick update. We're at 10 fish, 5 good keepers. At one there was a keeper, but he wasn't gonna. Actually, I've had 2 that were keepers, but they're not gonna help the cause. So release them back to the population. Kind of working the bank slow here. Think I'll make a move. Had a pretty good day today. Let's see, everything's come on the drop shot. Everything's come on the wacky. Threw a jig a little bit around some weeds. Nothing. I have 6 poles on the deck. I've only used 2. I mean, between fighting seals and gnats all day, it's been an interesting day, but fishing's been good. Low tide right now, so I had drop shot, I had a chatterbait, I have a jig with a crawl, mini jig with a crawl trailer. I did throw the frog, nothing, and a flipping rod with a small creature bait on it. So, yeah, pretty much just been Senko, wacky style. And actually, I thought it had something to do with the weed line, but it's been in the weeds and off the rock. So, I don't know. They've been eating it though. Been getting some thumps like I haven't felt in a while. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to it. See if I can pick up a few more. Work my way back to the. It's 1:13 right now, so yeah, I think I'm gonna be done by 3. So, see how we do. Definitely got my 5x3. Haven't done that in a while, so happy about that. That's my goal. 5x3. It's been a while since I've done that, so yeah, I'm definitely happy about today. All right, get back at it. Oh, got one. Little one. Damn, pulling. Well, heavy. Thank you for playing. That is number 11. just threw a frog over there and nothing. Oh, and this is... God, even the little ones is fighting hard today. Number 12. Okay, so weight for today is we had a 271, a 275, a 222, a 250, and a 304. So I'm gonna say 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we had about 12, 13 pounds on 5 fish. Couldn't get a kicker. All the fish are kicking and doing well. See if I can pull them all live well, and we'll do a one-on-one. Okay, here we go. That's the little one. Thank you for playing. Another 2-pounder. Thank you for playing. I'm getting you. Another one. Thank you. We got 2 big boys. Got our bleeder. Thank you for playing. Appreciate your time. Thank you. Thank you for playing. See you again. Well, that was it for today. Uh-oh. I think we got one that doesn't want to cooperate. Come on, turn over. Oh, there you go. She's getting there. All right. All right, so, yeah, today was a fun day. 5 fish, a couple of nice keepers. Total of 13, counting the dinks. So yeah, it was a fun day. Got a good bite going. Got out and got some nature in me. Needed it. So hope you guys' day is going as well as mine. And you know what I say, you know, you got time, get out and get some nature in you. Have a good one.